Your manufacturing team just found an assembly problem. How do you capture ideas for the process improvements? Your fabricators would like to use a different material for a part, and at the same time, customers are reporting that the part is failing too often. How do you collect multiple change requests? That's where SOLIDWORKS Manage helps you to collect and organize the data all within a defined process, so you can continuously improve through manageable change. We found a problem. Some of the bolts on the project are being damaged during assembly, and it looks like it might be coming from someone choosing the wrong tool. A perfect place for a non-conformance report. This used to mean exchanging emails that got lost, deleted, or having meetings and conversations that were forgotten. Now, SOLIDWORKS Manage makes it easy to create a new case that will follow my NCR process, notify the right team, assign the necessary tasks, and maintain visibility to everyone involved. And best of all, we now have a permanent record of the issue, all the discussions and correspondence, and the recommended changes. Next, I need to submit an engineering change request for a part based on a reported failure. The part is cracking at the sharp inside corner. SOLIDWORKS Manage guides me through the steps to create a new ECR and document the important facts. When I'm ready, I can attach the related SOLIDWORKS design from PDM, and I can even include correspondence emails, red lines, or other documents. Then I simply send it along to the next stage. The process, configured for the type of case, can alert the change management team to the new requests. In this case, we will make this change request as pending so that the team knows the change will happen when we are ready. Using SOLIDWORKS Manage, a part or document can be associated with many cases. Our failing part now has several change requests pending, so it is time to take some action by launching a full change order. Cases are also great for custom inquiries, spare part requests, or anything else that needs to be collected or reviewed. Now that our cases are tracked, automated, and visible through SOLIDWORKS Manage, we can continuously improve through manageable change. Consider what SOLIDWORKS Manage could mean to your business, and check out the other videos to explore the additional capabilities of SOLIDWORKS Manage.